Patrick at Pals. Corvettes. We love Corvettes. This is a Z06. Why is it here? Needs air conditioning work. You know, it's the first, let's see, it's the 3rd of October, and it's still very hot and humid in Florida. And that's a really bad combination if your air conditioning compressor gives out, which is what happened to this car. These are terrific vehicles. You can see many of them are modified. See that cold air unit down there? That brings in more horsepower. Now this car is a 2001. You can see that it had 385 horsepower. Back in 2001, that was the highest you could get. Now, these cars have 700 horsepower, or 685, close enough. It's amazing how far we've come in a little over 20 years. If you've got a Corvette Z06, bring it to Pals. See you soon.